Hi friends, I am going to show you a very interesting chess trap called Halosa trap. If you want to learn more, keep watching Chess Magic. Now I am going to start with Queen's Gambit. D4, then D5, E4. Now the most common move is D into E4. D into E4. Next, Knight C3, Knight F6. Here I am going to leave a pawn. F3. E into F3. Now the most common reply is knight into F3. But I am going to capture this pawn with queen. Queen into F3. Now I am leaving a free pawn here. Queen into D4. Now going to play bishop E3. Now most common move is queen B4 and then queen into B2. This is the plan for black. Next, now queen B4. If we want to protect this move, tribolo, if black get overexcited and keep the bishop to g4, it was a blunder. If you think the black bishop is skewing queen and rook, but not. If we play this move, he was gone. Let me show you how. Now, knight b5. If black get overexcited and take that queen, means knight into c7 is a beautiful checkmate. Now we go black. For knight b5, if black play queen into b5, then bishop into b5 check. The forces move c6. Next, we move our queen and win the game easily. Now go to our black position. Now another move is having black trying to, if black trying to open the king side, black plays e5. If e5, it is a blunder. Let me show how. Knight into c7 check, king e7, queen into b7. If black get overexcited and take that queen, means bishop c5 was a beautiful checkmate. Now again back to the position. Now knight a6 is the best move. Knight a6 to protect that pawn. Now we are going to the queen is defending the pawn. We are break that by our knight. Now we are going to take that pawn. Queen into b7. Now we are having 4 variations here. Rook b8, rook c8, bishop into d1 and queen e4. We first see rook b8. Rook b8. Rook b8 means now queen into b8 and then knight into b8. If knight into b8, knight into c7. That's a beautiful checkmate. Now go back to the position. Queen into b7. Our next move is rook c8. Rook c8. If rook c8 means we are going to play queen into a6. Now bishop into d1. Queen into c8 was a beautiful checkmate. And then queen into b7, we are having a move bishop into d1. If bishop into d1, now queen into a8, king d7, knight into a7, and attacking this bishop and this knight by bishops and king. Now go back to the position. The next move was queen e4. Queen e4. The black looks to exchange the queen and attacking the bishop. If you exchange the queen, no. We want to capture the knight. Queen into a6. And then if black capture the rook, means bishop into d1, then king into d1, rook d8 check, then bishop d2 was managing the position. Now go back to the position. Now queen into a6, we are having another move. Queen into e3. Queen into e3 check, then king b1, queen c5, then queen b7. If queen b7, there are two variations. Now black takes the rook means bishop into d1, queen into a8, king d7, knight c3, defending the mate here and attacking the bishop. Now we are going to back. Now another variation is rook c8. Now knight into a7. Then here also having two variations, bishop into d1 and bishop f5. Now bishop into d1 means queen into c8 was checkmate. Now we are going back. If bishop f5 attacking this pawn, next bishop b5 check and bishop d7 or knight d7, queen into c8 was a beautiful checkmate. Thank you friends. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe and click the bell below. Thank you.